Imagine spending $250 to do your hair, multiply that by 12 months, multiply that by 10 years. That's a lot of money. So this is the little way I save money. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. When you live in the part of the world that I live, there are some skills that will just come to you naturally because you have to save money. So what I'm doing today is I'm trying to roll my hair, put it in the rollers, and I'm going to go to bed with this, and by the time I wake up tomorrow I'll be able to style it. What I'm not using the normal lotus body that will hold the hair because it can break my hair. So what I'm using is organic olive miracle leave-in condition. This is what I'm using. You can use whatever suits you, but this is what I'm using. And the reason why I'm using this is because I just retouched this hair and I need to put this olive condition to sit into the hair and to help prevent breakage. So I'll be using this, and I'll be putting this here in rollers, and I'll sleep with it overnight. You can use whatever works for you. But if you live in this part of the world that I live, you just have to acquire some skills. And learning how to make your hair is one of it, because it's going to save you a lot of money. Because if you decide to go to the salon, imagine spending $250 to do your hair, multiply that by 12 months, multiply that by 10 years. That's a lot of money. So this is the little way I save money, and I enjoy doing my hair by myself. So I'll be showing you this. I have my rollers, and let's go. Let's do the trick. It's not perfect, but at least I'm able to save myself money, and it's my hair. So get the rollers, and this is just my way of making sure that I put in some. So I'm using this olive oil conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply it to the tip and to the base of the hair. Now I'll just take my rollers, put it in, roll it up. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's gonna give me the end product. And I have my pin. So I have this. So that I'm going to go ahead with the next one. Let's do the side. I think I'm done with the other side. Let's do the side. Like I said, it is not perfect, but it's doing the job for me. That's what really matters. So I'll get this. I'll just cut this off. And I have this. All I'm doing is to try to get the leave-in conditioner into my head. So I'm gonna use this. It's not perfect, remember? I said it's not perfect, but it's gonna give me the desired end product. I'm gonna do this. This is another way to get your leave-in conditioner into your hair overnight. I put this here. And by the way, I didn't learn all the skills while I was in Nigeria. I had to learn all the skills when I got to America. This is America, baby, where you have to learn some skills to save yourself some money. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. This is America, baby, where you learn how to do your Guys, it's done. Beautiful, yeah, it's done. What do you think?